everybody, today we are going to show Wendy how to assemble Raspberry Pi Acrylic DIY retro game arcade kit.
Thank you, Jackie. I know it's an awesome product to allow you to spend a wonderful weekends together with your friends or kids. I know there is instructions, but I still need your help.
Okay, at the very beginning you have to remove the plastic cover from the acrylic case and take out one of them.
The
Put
bottom
on,
board
yes.
feel like this, and
Put on.
take out. Is this the Raspberry Pi, right?
Yeah, that's right.
With the instructions.
It's a brand new Raspberry Pi.
Okay, we take
3.
it. Sorry, we take
Okay.
it off. Take it off the plastic bag and place in this place like you, right?
Yes.
And then
we can put the joystick controller board on
this place.
Position.
Yes. This place.
And there are two screws.
Two back screws.
Yeah.
Use the longer one, right?
Use the longer one.
Okay. This short one is for the speakers. We can use it later.
Okay. And take out the screws.
And
this? Don't forget, it's a washer.
Washers.
It keeps the Raspberry Pi flat, you know.
Okay, tight
smooth.
Enough. Okay. So I need to turn over the board and put the screws like this, and put another foil on the here.
Yeah.
I know.
You need to put a cover to prevent the screws falling off.
Okay, turn them over together.
Yes.
Ah, that's really cool.
It's a little bit tricky. And don't forget mount the washer.
Washers.
On the screws.
Okay.
Alright.
Then fix the Raspberry Pi and the joystick controller board.
Yeah.
Use a nut. Right? Screw the nuts.
Yeah. Just hold them tight, okay? When you put every nut on the screws, you can flat over and use your screwdriver to keep them tight.
Okay.
Okay. Like this.
Is tight enough?
Yeah, make sure the Raspberry Pi and the controller board cannot move.
Do not move?
Yeah.
Really tight.
Yeah, okay.
And we finished the bottom board.
Not yet.
Not yet.
You need an anti-slipper mat.
Okay, put them, stick them on the floor corners.
Yeah. To prevent this joystick board move.
Move on the table.
Yeah. When you play game, maybe you excite him.
Yes, that's right. It's true.
Okay. It's very stable and
anti-slip. Okay. Cool. Then we can use put the top bottom.
No, just wait a few minutes because we need just put the others around this.
The four sides.
Yes.
First.
The volume control buttons.
Okay.
You need to select two big buttons, red button on
your
right
small?
hand.
Small buttons or big buttons?
Big buttons.
Big.
On your right hand. Okay.
Put it on the right.
Yeah, this is
the other shot.
This is for the speakers.
Okay, with two big holes in the front is for the speakers, right?
Right.
Okay.
And the small holes on one side
at the back.
It's for your select and start.
Select and start. Okay.
I will introduce later. Okay.
What's this?
It's wire cable for the button.
Wire cable.
Yeah. Because you need to connect the button to your joystick board.
And the Raspberry Pi, right?
No, just to connect to your joystick board.
Okay.
So that when you push the button, it will send a signal to the controller button.
Mm-hmm.
And the controller button will get the signal, and it will send the signal back to the Raspberry Pi.
Mm-hmm.
And Raspberry Pi will give you a feedback. So
Another two buttons. Is the same size button or smaller ones?
they are smaller ones.
Smaller ones.
Just for the select and start function.
Start.
Yeah.
Okay.
You play game, you can select players and start the game.
I see.
Okay. The black and red wire is for the button, for the other button.
For the other left buttons, right? For the other left buttons on the top board, and they use the cable. Is it the same cable, or I use the black and white? Blue and white. Is it still the right cables? Right.
Right.
Yes. What's this?
It's a joystick.
Joystick.
When you play game,
Oh. Okay.
you can use the joystick to navigate your character on the screen. Okay. And here, 4 flight head schools. This can prevent you damage your hand when you play some game when you're exciting. Very exciting. So it's a flight, smooth.
Oh.
It won't hurt you.
I screw them from the inside or outside?
Screw them from inside.
Inside.
Outside it's a flight.
Oh, okay.
Smooth, very smooth. It's very shiny.
Now use the white and blue cables.
Yeah, it's just for the joystick, and it's
okay.
It's only 4.
Okay. Then turn it over. No.
And wait a second. Don't forget the plastic ring. O-ring.
Okay.
It's a.
And put the ball on it.
Yes.
Screw the ball on it.
Screw the ball on it.
Okay.
So you can just hold the ball to control your character.
Oh, it already shows the shape.
Yes. Is that cool?
Yes, a little bit.
Okay, next step is to assembling the speakers, but let me tidy up my desk. There are some screws.
Put them back.
Yeah. You can keep them safe. Once you lose some screws and nuts, you can use them instead of these. And remove the plastic cover of the speakers and put your speakers on
into the hole and use shorter screws, right?
Yes, the shorter one.
Okay. Put the screws first.
In front.
In front of the board.
Yeah, in front of the board.
Okay. Outside.
It also needs a little bit tricky. You can use your
use something. I know.
Something like menu.
Okay.
You can use your menu.
Alright. Then.
Cover it and flat back.
Okay.
Keep them.
Put the speakers into the holes. Then.
Put the nuts on.
Okay.
Do remember, keep them tightly. Fixed tightly. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir. and put the left screws back into the plastic bag and what should we do now?
We need to fix them tightly.
Okay.
Use a screwdriver. Keep them tight.
Tight enough. Make sure the will not drop when the sound is so loud, right?
Yeah. So after that, we can connect the speaker's wire to the joystick controller board. There are green cable port for the speakers,
Green? Where is green?
Green.
On the right board, right? Joystick right board. Joystick controller board, the right one.
Yes. Keep the positive outside. There are two channels for the speakers, left channel and the right channel. And in the middle of the cable, you will find there are ground, and outside is positive.
Left is positive, right?
Side, both sides is positive. In the middle is ground. The black wire is ground.
So there are four holes.
Yeah.
And the first and the fourth for the positive.
Yeah.
Okay.
2 and 3 is for the ground.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
And you can follow this picture to connect another
on the screen
button.
What about now?
It's a cable wire for micro USB cable for the signal and power for the controller board.
And
it's a volume controller button. Volume controller.
Okay. Either positive or negative, or you can put them any.
The volume up is here.
Here.
The bottom here is volume up. And the volume down. On the board, you can see VOL plus means volume up. Okay? And finally, you will put it together, but don't forget to connect the audio wire to your Raspberry Pi. Okay?
Use this like rope.
Yes. You should connect to the Raspberry Pi 3.5 millimeters jack. It's an audio jack, okay? So that the Raspberry Pi can send the audio signal to your controller board, and your controller board has an amplifier. It's very good. And then connect the buttons on your joystick controller board. You can refer to the pictures
in the screen.
Yes.
Then put it cover it.
And we need something to put the wire together. So I use plastic. Just tidy up the wire.
Is that safe?
You can use a zip tie.
Use a rope to do that. Make sure to protect them, right?
Yes.
Cover it on the top. Are we almost done? Right?
Yes. Almost done. But you still have last step to keep them steady.
Use what?
Use 5 long screws.
The
Steel screws.
longest of screws.
Yes. Do you notice that there are a plastic bag on the table?
Yeah, I see.
Okay, let me open it. There are 5 longest screws for you to fix the arcade cage stable. And it's very easy to assemble this. Just put them coming through
Okay.
and screw the nuts.
I see.
Okay?
Make it tight enough.
Yeah, so that everything is keeps the right position and you don't move. Okay? Alright. Last one is finished. Oh, job done.
Really?
Let's tidy up the wire and we have one step to finish the job. Okay?
Try this. It's
You can-
clickable, clickable.
Yeah, that's cool. The final step is to take out the TF card and insert to your Raspberry Pi.
Okay.
Okay? Assembling is finished.
Can we try?
Just a minute. Let me introduce other components. This is a 5 volts power supply. This is HDMI cable.
Is this universal?
Yeah, we can offer universal. Let's
Oh.
test it. Okay?
Okay, cool. Wow.
Alright, I got a monitor here and 5 volts power supply and also a HDMI cable.
What's this for?
It's for audio, video transport. It
Can we
be useful.
use this charger? Can we use this
Power supply?
power? Yeah, I mean, if I'm from United States, I'm from
Yeah,
UK.
it's we got a lot of type. For example, American standard, Europe standard, and also Australian standard. You can purchase anyone. Just tell us.
Okay, you will send me the right one.
Yes.
According to my countries, right?
That's right.
Okay.
You need to tell me. Tell me first, okay?
Mm-hmm.
When you purchase this stuff. And just put the power cable on
Right
it.
then.
And you will see that there are 4 Raspberry Pi on your screen. It means the system is booting up. And you will see the RetroPie signature. Oh, no.
Yes.
The logo on your screen. And it will reboot again.
Why?
Because it needs reboot to finish the initial sequence. Okay?
How long should we wait?
Maybe several seconds. Okay?
Just several seconds?
Yes.
Okay.
Just 1 minute.
About 1 minute.
About 1 minute.
Okay.
And it's expand the file system. You know. some kind of system stuff.
Game.
Just waiting 4 minutes. It's rebooting.
Okay.
After rebooting, you will see a screen on how to configure your button and joystick, navigator. You need to configure it before you use it. Okay.
Can we start now? Should I still wait?
Just be patient. Okay. The first time it will.
I'm just eager to try this.
Okay. Ta-da!
It's here.
Animation station. Okay. It will show welcome screen to you. Hold a button on your device to configure it. Okay. Just press one button.
Press it. Anyone.
Anyone
right?
is okay.
Okay. Let me try this.
You will see that it will appear the configuration. Just follow the instructions. Yes, and do remember the start and select.
The left is start, the right is select. Okay.
You can just according to your habits. Okay.
I can click anyone as a start, right?
Yes.
Okay.
But we suggest that you push these two buttons.
Okay. I see.
And hold one button to skip. You don't want to set up. If you want to, you don't want to set up the key. You can just hold to skip.
It just start? Start now?
Yes, we have a lot of emulators, and you know, if we want to hear the music, we need to configure the audio. Let the output through the 3.5 millimeter jack to your speaker. So we need to navigate to audio and press A to configure it, and press X to make sure to enter it. Okay, so that we can hear the volume. We can hear the audio music from the game. Okay. And there are a lot of simulator, and let's try Doom. Okay, it's a classic first-person shooting game.
It's a game?
Yeah, it's a game.
We can play now, right?
Yes.
Cool.
And
it seems a little slow, right?
Yeah, the first time play the game.
For the first time.
Yeah.
It may need to take some time.
Okay. Let's select. Let's figure it out.
How many games do we have?
Maybe several open source games. You know, some simulation. Prohibit.
Okay. If I want to play more games, how should I do?
You should go to internet to download the ROM for the game and put the ROM into the Raspberry Pi's
the card,
ROM
right?
folder. Yes.
Save the game in the card, then we can play it.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Dicky.
You're welcome.
It's really cool.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There are some pictures of your arcade kit.
It looks nice. Really.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hopes it can help you. Bye-bye.